So guys, we're going to be learning how to attach this magnetic lock to our beaded bag, okay, to the cover. I have these two types of magnetic lock. This is the invisible magnetic lock. I love working with this one. I love working with this one. And this is just the normal four square magnetic lock. So I really don't like working with this one. So guys, when you get this invisible magnetic lock here, you're going to, it's coming with this something like this. So what you do, open it. This is how it looks like. So this one here, you just put it inside like this. Can you see? Then this one, you fold it, push it down, and this one, okay, you do same for the second lock. Then push down. This is what it will look like. So guys, let's attach this lock to our bag and our cover. To attach this lock with your bag, what you do, this line is going into this here, like this, okay, like this. Make sure they are coming together, the line are together. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the seventh one. You see this bead here? This one you're starting because we are working in this ring of 4. So this is your right line, this is the left line, right? So the right line, you're inserting it into that up first ring of 4 like this, okay? Then the left line also, you're inserting it into the same bead. Insert it into that same bead, okay? Then you pull, can you see? This is what you have first. Then now, this your right line, the right line here is going into the next bead down. So the right line is going into the next bead because we're working with, don't forget, we're working with only this 4 bead here, this 4 beads, okay? And the left line is going into the next bead here, this one. So guys, can you see? Then your right line is going, can you see this line here? We put it, it was up here. Now this other down part here, this down one here, you're inserting this line here. Then this one is going into the same place, okay? Can you see how it is? I hope you're understanding. So this is how it will look. Then we are left with this bead here. We've not done anything. So this same line, the right line here, you're inserting it into this bead. Then this left line is going into that same bead, okay? So guys, this is just how you attach the magnetic lock. I hope I taught this very well. I don't know, I hope I taught this very well. I hope you understand. Then what you're going to do is, with your line, you're going to be inserting it zigzag, okay? I've taught how to hide your fishing line. You go here, 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 till you get here. So just like this, you are working with those like this. Then also down. Can you see this one down? Then we've done here, we've done here, we've done here. Now here, okay. This is the best way to hide your line, okay. So now we're going to the next bit down. So you can cut here, okay. Can you see how this lock is secured? Like it will not come off at all. So you do the same what you did here, like this, you do it here, okay. So guys, the same way you did this is the same way you're doing this. So you need to count it. It needs to be at the middle, okay. It needs to be meeting at the middle. So as you, this one is on the first, on the second row, the magnetic lock is on the second row. This magnetic lock also will be in the second row, okay. This is how you do it. So let's do that off camera. So this is just how you attach your magnetic lock to your beaded bag. Can you see how strong and secured it is? So when you're doing this, you need to be pulling very tight, okay. So guys, if you don't want to fold this bag the way I taught you before, you can actually just like curve it like this. You can just curve it and like this. I think I even prefer this cover than this method than the folding. It gives this unique shape to your bag. So guys, that's how to build and attach your magnetic lock to your beaded bag. So guys, on our next class, we're going to be attaching our 4x4 beaded handle to this bag. So guys, stay with me. I'm still your girl, the bead with Lisa. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment if you have any questions. Bye. See you on my next class.